What if I told you that the key to losing weight isn't just about what you eat or how much you exercise? It's about how well you sleep. Sounds surprising, right? But here's the thing. Sleep is like the unsung hero of weight loss. And if you're over 40, especially as a woman, this could be the missing piece of the puzzle you've been searching for. Stick around because today we're diving deep into the science of sleep and weight loss, unpacking the surprising ways poor sleep can sabotage your progress, and most importantly, sharing practical, science-backed tips to help you sleep better and finally see those results you've been working so hard for. If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right, eating clean, hitting the gym, drinking enough water, but the scale just won't budge, it's time to take a closer look at your sleep. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's a critical part of how your body regulates metabolism, hormones, and appetite. In fact, poor sleep can disrupt your weight loss efforts in ways you might not even realize. In this video, we're breaking down the science behind sleep and weight loss, exploring eye-opening studies, and giving you actionable steps to improve your sleep quality. Whether you're over 40, dealing with hormonal changes, or just struggling to get a good night's rest, this video is for you. Why sleep matters for weight loss. Let's start with the basics. Sleep is your body's time to repair, recharge, and reset. It's not just about feeling rested. It's about giving your body the chance to function at its best. While you sleep, your body balances hormones, processes food, and even burns fat. But here's the kicker. It's not just about how long you sleep. It's about how well you sleep. If you're over 40, this becomes even more crucial. Hormonal fluctuations, whether due to perimenopause, menopause, or general aging, can make it harder to fall and stay asleep. And when your sleep suffers, your metabolism slows, your cravings increase, and your ability to burn fat diminishes. But don't worry, there are ways to work with your body instead of against it. Additionally, poor sleep affects your body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels. When you're sleep deprived, your cells become more resistant to insulin, which can lead to increased fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Research has shown that just a few nights of poor sleep can cause blood sugar spikes similar to those seen in prediabetes. This means that even if you're eating healthy, your body's ability to process and store energy efficiently is compromised when you're not getting enough quality rest. The science behind sleep and weight loss. Let's geek out for a second because science has uncovered some fascinating links between sleep and weight management. A 2021 study published in the International Journal of Obesity followed 125 overweight individuals who focused on improving their sleep over 12 months. The result? Those who consistently got high-quality sleep lost significantly more weight than those who didn't. Another study from 2012 tracked 198 women trying to lose weight. Those who slept poorly lost 33% less weight than those who got sufficient rest. And here's the kicker. They also reported stronger cravings, increased hunger, and lower energy levels throughout the day. So, if you're not sleeping well, you're not just feeling tired, you're actively fighting against your body's natural ability to shed weight. Moreover, studies suggest that sleep deprivation affects the brain's reward system, making unhealthy foods, especially high-fat and sugary options, far more appealing. When you're running on little sleep, your brain craves quick energy sources, leading to impulsive eating decisions and late-night snacking. This is why poor sleep isn't just linked to weight gain. It can also make it much harder to maintain a healthy diet in the first place. The two types of sleep you need. Not all sleep is created equal. For optimal weight loss and overall health, you need two essential types of sleep. 1. REM sleep. This is the deep, dreamy stage of sleep that helps regulate emotions, memory, and brain function. You want at least 90 minutes of REM sleep each night to keep your cognitive and emotional health in check. 2. Deep sleep. This is when your brain detoxifies itself, clearing out toxins that accumulate throughout the day. It's also when your body undergoes physical repair and muscle recovery. Aim for at least an hour of deep sleep nightly. Curious about how much REM or deep sleep you're getting? Wearable devices like the Oura Ring or Whoop Band can provide insights into your sleep patterns. What's messing up your sleep? Now let's talk about what could be sabotaging your sleep, and by extension, your weight loss goals. Chronic stress. Stress activates cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with REM sleep. If you find yourself feeling wired at night, try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or journaling before bed. Blue light exposure. The light emitted from your phone, TV, and laptop tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, delaying the release of melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. Try switching to dark mode or using blue light-blocking glasses in the evening. Alcohol before bed. That glass of wine may help you unwind, but it disrupts your deep sleep cycle, preventing your body from fully restoring itself overnight. How sleep affects your hormones. Here's where things get even more interesting. Sleep plays a direct role in regulating two critical appetite hormones. Ghrelin. This is your hunger hormone. When you don't sleep well, your body produces more ghrelin, making you feel constantly hungry and increasing cravings for high-calorie foods. Leptin. This is the hormone that signals to your brain that you're full. Poor sleep suppresses leptin production, leading to increased snacking and overeating. A 2022 study found that people who were sleep-deprived consumed an average of 385 extra calories per day, without even realizing it. How to sleep better for weight loss. Okay, so now that we know why sleep is so important, let's talk about how to improve it. Here are some proven strategies. 1. Try kava tea. Drinking kava tea before bed can help calm your nervous system and promote relaxation. It works by activating GABA receptors, which are similar to progesterone, a hormone that naturally supports deep sleep. 2. Take magnesium. Magnesium supplements, especially magnesium glycinate, can help relax your muscles, reduce stress, and improve both REM and deep sleep. 3. Establish a nighttime routine. Avoid screens, stressful conversations, and alcohol in the hours leading up to bedtime. Instead, wind down with calming activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath. 4. Optimize your sleep environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains, a white noise machine, or a weighted blanket to improve your sleep quality. 5. Maintain a consistent schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall and stay asleep. Action steps. Here are 3 simple steps you can take tonight to start improving your sleep and supporting your weight loss. 1. Start drinking kava tea. Add kava tea to your evening routine to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality, helping to regulate hormones and reduce stress-related cravings. 2. Limit screen time before bed. Reduce blue light exposure by turning off screens at least an hour before bedtime or using blue light filters to prevent sleep disruption. 3. Cut out late-night snacking. Avoid eating at least 2 hours before bed to enhance digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and promote restful sleep. So, there you have it. Sleep isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity if you want to lose weight and feel your best. If you're over 40 or just struggling with weight loss despite doing everything right, improving your sleep could be the missing piece of the puzzle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health, wellness, and weight loss. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.